Section 3 is about retailers. Retailers represent the last stop on the distribution path since they sell goods and services directly to final consumers. Retailers typically fall into one of the two categories here. We have store and non-store. And recently there's been an addition known as multi-channel retailing, and this encourages customers to purchase products from multiple retailers. For example, you can go to Best Buy and purchase a Toshiba laptop, or you can direct order one from the company. Intensive, selective, and exclusive systems are three major distribution options available for retailers. Intensive distribution makes the most sense for low-cost, convenient goods that consumers won't travel too far to find. Selective distribution tends to work best for medium and higher priced products or stores that consumers don't expect to find on every corner. And then exclusive distribution tends to work for luxury good providers with a customer base that actively seeks their products. Wheel of retailing is a classic distribution theory that suggests that retail firms and retail categories become more upscale as they go through their life cycles. Online retailing, also known as e-tailing, is the selling and delivery of goods via the internet. Direct response retailing includes catalogs, telemarketers, advertising, such as infomercials meant to elicit direct consumer sales. Direct selling includes all methods of selling directly to customers in their homes or workplaces. You may also have heard of multi-level marketing. This is the process of using independent contractors to sell products directly to a personal network of friends and colleagues. Mary Kay, and Avon, there are two examples of multi-level marketing. Vending machines take money in coins and notes and dispense the product chosen by the consumer. Among the number of retail store categories, each category has its own function, and I'm not going to read over these, but you can look at the different descriptions and the examples. In section 4, we're looking at physical distribution. Now that we've established how the products are going to be sold, we're going to focus on how the products are actually going to be moved from point to point. Supply chain management and logistics are important to understand. Supply chain is all organizations, processes, and activities involved in the flow of goods from the raw materials to the final consumers. In other words, it's the big picture of how product can get from manufacturer to consumer. Supply chain management is the planning and the coordination of the movement of goods along the supply chain. Logistics is part of supply chain management, and it deals with how the products are going to be physically moved. The relationship between the product and distribution process in various organizations can be represented in the form of a supply chain. So you see it starts with the raw materials, the logistics, the storage, the production, the warehouse storage, the logistics again to get it to the distributors for marketing and sales. And then transportation decisions. Modes of transportation are the transportation options such as plane, trains, and railroads for moving the products through the supply chain. Companies that specialize in helping other companies manage the supply chain, such as UPS, have done particularly well in today's market.